Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today in this session we are going to take up a question from compiler design. So yes, we got this question in GATE 2020, and this is a question from the topics from grammar to string. That is, when we are given a particular grammar and a string, and we need to find out a way out to reach that string from that given grammar. And it is also a question from bottom-up parser, because bottom-up parser basically helps you to reach from a particular string to basically you find out a way to reach a particular string from a certain grammar. Okay, so now the question given over here is that the number of reduction steps, you need to find out the number of reduction steps taken by a bottom-up parser while accepting the string AAADBBB. So this is the string and this is the given grammar, and you've been given in the question that you need to find the number of reduction steps. So let's see how we find it. Okay, so the first thing over here is that what do? We first of all write a string in a corner so that the picture is very clear what we need to find, and from where we need to find, we have the grammar. So first of all I need to start basically building my this string, and I'll see my rules over here. So there are three what you can say productions. So there are three production rules: 1, 2 and 3. For the sake of referring them, I am numbering them as 1, 2, 3. Now, if you see clearly over here, uh, yeah, if you see clearly over here, we will first of all we'll be needing a in the starting and a B at the end, and also we'll be needing some rule which helps to build this string step by step. So we cannot use production 3 or 2 because they are just ending at one single step, right? Because if I just use if I just use yeah, S to D, it will just end at this point, or if I just use B to B, it will just end at this point. And also whenever we start building our string, we always started from the start symbol, which is S, right? So we'll be starting from S. We have only two options, 1 or 2. Definitely I'll be going with 1 because uh, I need to build my string. I cannot end it at the first step. Okay, so yes, so I started over here ASB. Now I have one A in the starting. I need two more. So that means I'll be using this production two more times. Okay, minimal two more times I'll be using it. So again I use it, and let's see what is the string forming. We can write it over here. We have only A till now. Then I use it again in this, and I get, what do I get? So I'll write it in the way I solve. Okay, so A, then in place of S I write ASB, and this is the following B. Okay, this is what is the new thing I've written. Okay, now I have the string AA. Okay, then I need another A, so I'll be inserting another ASB over here. ASB B. Two following B's, one is the new one. This is the new portion. So I have the string AAA now. Okay, now yeah, next now I have to think whether I use my S in the first rule or the second rule. So now I do not need any more A's over here because I required 3. I have 3 now. So that means I'll be terminating it to D by using the second production over here. Okay, so I use the second production, and now I get AAD BBB. Okay, great. Now what? Now obviously my string has 3 terminating B's, right? So I'll be changing all these capital B's into small b's using the third production step by step. You cannot change it in one single step because the production has only single B over here, and you'll be using this production 3 times. Okay, so I use it 3 times, and eventually what do I get? I get it like this. Then again A, 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 D, B, 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 and finally A, 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 D, B, B, B. Finally, I get my string, right? Okay. Now we need to count these steps. We need to count how many reduction steps we were required to reach the string. So 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? So it is very simple if you draw it like this and then finally you get to count the steps, because counting the steps is very simple once you have a clear diagram flowchart in front of you, right? So yes, so the answer over here is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so we have the answer over here as 7. So we are done with this question, this very question, and it's a very important question. I mean, compiler is a very important subject as far as GATE is concerned, and so you really need to practice it well before going to the exam. And I hope this question helped you in some way. In case it did, please press the like icon below. And in case you're the first one to visit my channel or you have not subscribed it till now, please subscribe it and press the bell icon along with it so that I can, keep you informed with the very recent videos whichever I post. Okay, so I'll be back with some more useful sessions and some knowledgeable questions from GATE and other competitive exams. Till then, stay tuned, keep learning, practicing hard. Thank you. Thank you for your support.